Welcome to the National Agency for the Control of AIDS e-learning platform. This innovative resource empowers stakeholders in national HIV response with the skills needed to excel in their different roles. Whether you're an experienced professional or new to the field, this platform supports your career growth and enhances your invaluable contributions to the HIV response. Our goal is to create a sustainable learning environment that evolves with the needs of the HIV program, offering you access to a wealth of knowledge and practical tools at your convenience. Join us in this journey of learning and growth.
UNAIDS is very proud to support NACA not only in developing but also in deploying this innovative resource that fosters a coordinated, strategic, and impactful HIV response. By diversifying our approach to training and education, this initiative enables us to make meaningful strides towards ending AIDS as a public health threat by 2030. The platform offers to stakeholders like you in NACA, SACAs, NASCAP, SASCAPs, community, and beyond the essential skills and knowledge that you need in your role, while it provides some flexibility to manage your own learning at your own pace. Remember, knowledge is power.
In the field of HIV prevention, many of us have had to build our capacity through self-directed learning. Recognizing these efforts, NACA developed this e-learning platform to support you and make your learning journey easier. The platform is user-friendly and allows you to learn at your own pace. With interactive elements and real-world case studies, your learning experience will be engaging and effective. With the right guidance and information, coupled with motivation and hard work, we can drive collective progress towards our goal of zero new HIV infections.
We are more likely to succeed when we align our direction and strategies. NACA's e-learning platform offers courses on multisectoral coordination, which will help you develop skills in coordinating various stakeholders. The course will empower you to implement policies and coordinate efforts seamlessly and effectively. You will find the module on coordinating in a resource-constrained setting very enlightening. The resources are available on the e-learning platform will support you as you make informed decisions, plan effectively, and coordinate initiatives to strengthen the national HIV response.
On NACA's e-learning platform, you can learn vital skills that will help build capacity for monitoring and evaluation of our HIV program. Courses like data visualization for HIV prevention teach you how to transform data into impactful visuals that convey useful information for program improvement and decision making. This learning platform will equip you with tools that are needed to ensure robust assessment of progress and informed data-driven decisions. The e-learning platform is simple and user-friendly and allows us to share insights on best practices and enhance the efficiency and impact of our HIV response efforts.
The NACA E-Learning platform ensures you are well equipped for your professional role in the HIV program. It supports your development by allowing you to take and retake courses at your convenience. For example, you can take a course like Program Evaluation and Resource Mobilization for programs, whenever and at your own pace. In these courses, you will learn how to assess the performance of HIV programs, iterate your action based on findings, and learn to mobilize resources for programs. Such skills can be instrumental to success in your role and in the program where you work.
We are excited about this platform potential to drive excellence and innovation in our work. Enroll in a course today.